FIFA World Cup.
The World Cup.
World Cup?
The World Cup.
There are sporting events and then there are moments. The 2026 FIFA World Cup is both, but for Aruba, Bonaire, and Curaçao, it carries a weight that goes far beyond football because this year something truly extraordinary is unfolding on the world stage. A small island nation with limited resources, a modest population, and odds stacked firmly against them has done what so many said was impossible. Curaçao qualified for the FIFA World Cup. Let that sink in. Here in Aruba, we've always had our teams, the Dutch, Brazil, Colombia, maybe the USA even. Soccer runs through our veins, but this year, every single one of us is united behind one flag, our sister island, Curaçao.
You love the World Cup, why?
Well, in this time, I love it because Curaçao is part of us, and I'm supporting Curaçao 100%.
I think we can all agree that the ABC Islands, we support each other in all ways.
Since it's one of the ABC Islands, it's great to support one of them because we're all here and we're all in the country. And everyone from Aruba, we all support Curaçao for them qualifying in the World Cup.
Okay, perfect.
He's part of us. We feel it like it's ours. So we support him. We support them 100%, and that will be, no matter what happens.
That Aruba is for Curaçao.
Because I feel it like it's us. We're three islands in one heart.
Make no mistake about it, this is one of the greatest underdog stories of our lifetime. Curaçao has become the smallest country to ever reach the World Cup championship. Remarkable is an understatement. Let's draw a comparison. To put things into perspective, Curaçao is a tiny Caribbean island of 444 square kilometers with around 153,000 people. Argentina, the reigning World Cup champions, is a continental giant that is over 6,000 times larger and has 304 times the population. The island nation's entire population could fit into Buenos Aires multiple times over. And yet, here Curaçao is, on the very same World Cup stage. What makes this even more remarkable is that there are people who have barely heard of Curaçao.
Have you heard of the island Curaçao?
No, actually.
Oh, you haven't? They're right next to us.
Oh, Curaçao, right?
Yes.
Okay, I've heard.
Yes,
okay,
Curaçao,
so
yes.
I've heard of it then.
I didn't know Curaçao had a team.
What Curaçao has achieved speaks to every small country, every small island, every community that has ever been told the dream is too big. Their qualification is not just a football story, it is a human story. A reminder that size does not determine destiny, that heart, hunger, and unity can carry you further than anyone thought possible. For the ABC Islands especially, this is personal. This is ours.
How does that inspire you?
Well, the sky's the limit. If you work hard, you can do it. Look, a small island, how far they come.
It's an achievement for Aruba as well that Curaçao is there, and you can look at it as a future for us as well, because we have talent here. My son plays soccer for almost let's say 14 years, so it's something good, it's something nice for us.
Because it shows that small countries can actually perform better than some other countries. And they actually have the willpower to actually go to the World Cup.
This tiny island that you've barely heard of made it on the world stage. What do you think of that?
Actually, that's amazing. I think it's like a big accomplishment for them because it's been like such a long time coming, right? So that should be a biggest accomplishment for them and the people over there, and they should be proud. And you never know, like they might come home with it. Well, if it's against all odds, that means if they can do it, then other countries that are obviously doesn't have much resources either, they can definitely make it. You just gotta learn how to go around about it and like do all the work and they get all the resources that you can get to get there. I mean, if they can do it with very limited, I mean, what other countries cannot?
Of course, we can. Everything is possible. No one thought that Curaçao would be able to be in the World Cup, and here they are.
So go get them, Curaçao. Go on to that world stage and show them what you are made of. Carry your island with you. Carry the ABC Islands with you. Carry every underdog with you. Carry every small nation that ever dared to dream with you.
They will become the smallest nation ever to take part in a men's World Cup.
What is your message to Curacao?
No matter what they do, they are already a winner, and we are with you.
Team Curacao, we want you to know that Aruba sees you, Aruba feels you, Aruba is with you.